For this problem, we are looking to see which expression is equivalent to this one given in the question. So we're going to set each of those up as an equation. We want to first store 1 for the x value. So then I can type in 7x to the third, close parentheses, squared, and then times x to the 8th raised to the 1/2 power. Now we're setting that equal to, so second math, and we hit the 1. And then we'll start by typing in answer choice A, so 14x to the 10th. And we hit enter. Let's see what it says. Oh, that says a 0, so that means we're wrong. So then we go 7x to the third squared, and then x to the 8th raised to the 1/2. Second math, so 1 equals 49x to the 10th, and let's see what it says. A 1, so that means that our correct answer is answer choice B. B is our correct answer.